Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how you can install and set up this EPSON printer EcoTank 3760. And this EcoTank 3760 series brings in the new version of printing. It allows you to actually take ink bottles and put them as ink instead of having you replace your cartridges the old and fashioned way. When you buy this brand new EPSON printer, you will get 2 years of free ink provided inside the box, which will allow you to print at least 7,500 pages or 1,600 pages of colored ink. This printer flaunts wireless compatibility with downloading from and printing from your mobile devices as well. One thing I like about this is that you, instead of having the old cartridges, as I said before, you can actually just replace this on the go with the portable ink bottles. Now with that out of the way, let's get right into setting and installing this printer.
The next day.
Okay guys, now that we removed everything that was in the box, it contained 4 ink bottles with obviously the printer, and it's the wire that we will plug into an outlet. Okay, so if you're wondering, it comes with obviously the black color, and then it comes with the cyan, and then it comes with the magenta, and then it comes with the yellow color. Okay guys, so the first thing you want to do before you even plug in the wire to the outlet is remove the tapes that are around the printer, since you obviously cannot do anything if you have the tapes around the edges, since you won't even be able to lift the lid of the printer. Okay, so let's get right into it. Now that we've removed all the tape from the exterior parts of the printer, we'll just want to set this up. So the first thing you want to do is take the wire that was given with the printer and plug that into the nearest outlet that you have. For this end of the wire that will go to the back of the printer, you'll want to rotate the printer, this port right here, and once it snaps right in, we can now take this part of the wire and put it into your nearby outlet. Now that we have plugged in the printer into a power supply, we're gonna turn it on. We're gonna press this white button right here, hold it, and it will illuminate into a white ring, and the display will turn on, as you can see right here. Okay, so now that we have powered it on, we're gonna choose our language. So I'm gonna choose English, and I'm gonna click on OK. Sadly, there's no touchscreen on this printer. Once we're done that, we're gonna just read the information that's given here, and it says that we should open the printer lid. So we're gonna do that. It says that there's a protective unit where basically there's some tape there, and we have to remove that before we can proceed with the setup. So we're just gonna lift this scanner sending unit, and there, as you can see right here, there is some tape. This quickly. And close this lid again. Now once we're done that, we're just gonna click on OK again. Okay, so now that we've removed all the tape and plugged it in, we're gonna now fill the ink bottles with ink into this area right here. So to do that, all we have to do first is lift the scanner unit again, do it carefully, and then push it all the way till it can go, and then lift this compartment right here and put the ink bottles into the respective areas. So to start off, we're gonna start off with the black ink, and the first thing I'm gonna do is lift this panel right here, which says black. Lift it. First, you want to obviously open the ink bottle and then gently just pour it right down like that. So now we're going to just insert the ink bottle directly 90 degrees down into the compartments. Keep it secure there. Now that we've secured the ink bottle 90 degrees down, the ink will slowly start to rise, and when it reaches all the way here, or until how much ink you want to put in, you can just remove the ink bottle slowly. For now, I'm going to fill it up all the way to the top, and we're going to be right back. And make sure to do this with all the colors. Now that we have filled up the black color, we're going to do the other 3 colors respectively. So the first color you want to do, or you can do this in any order you wish, but I'm just going to go from the left to right. So the first color that's there is cyan, then it's going to be magenta, and then it's yellow. So let's get that done. Now that I've filled up all the colors, I'm just going to close the ink compartment and then close the scanner unit gently. Next, we're going to proceed with the setup. So what I'm going to do is click on OK. To proceed with the setup, we're going to now hold this question mark button right here for 3 seconds. Once we have done that, we're going to see it says confirm that the tanks are filled with ink, and we're going to click yes, confirm OK. and it's going to be initializing, so just give it some time. While this initialization process is going on, do not remove the printer from the power, as this will corrupt your printer. So it says, do you want to align your paper so you get the best printing? This is highly recommended, so we're going to click on yes or allow. So now it's asking me, do I want to do a print test? So I'll just say yes, but I'm going to show you guys how you can load paper into this printer. So the way to do that is just remove the tray right here, bring it back, and then paste your paper right here. And if you want, you can bring these two edges together so the paper will secure it, but I just keep it like this, loose. And then click on OK once I've done that. Right now it's just saying put the A4 paper, which is the normal type of paper. Since I've already loaded that, as I showed you guys before, click on OK. And now I'll just wait for the paper to get printed. You can see it has done a test print. So now we're just going to see what it says. And what do you know, it printed the serial number of the product. The paper that was printed, it shows the serial number, which is obviously blurred, and then it shows the hardware type, and it shows the different color properties, or how each color looks like. So black right here, yellow right here, cyan right here, and magenta right there. Now that we have finished the test print, we're going to continue with the setup. So now it's asking us the type of pattern that we want for another test print. So I'm going to choose this as the pattern on the right here, and click on OK. If you want, you can just use the arrow sign to change the pattern, but I want to choose the right one. I'm going to click on OK. Look, I'm going to click on align, and then I'm going to click on print. OK. And it's printing, as you can see. And it has printed another test paper. So now it's going to do another test print, which is really getting annoying, but that's fine. We're going to click on OK. And then we're going to just choose a pattern, click OK. So we're going to click on print again. For the purpose of the video and keep it short, I'm just going to skip all the test prints that are from now. Okay, so now the printer has finally completed all of the sample tests. And just after the video where I said I wouldn't do any more, there were only like a couple more. So yeah, don't worry about having like tens or hundreds of sample tests. They're just about like 5-6. So now that's done, we have officially completed the setup. If you want to print it directly via USB cable, that's cool. If you want to do it via Wi-Fi, I'll just show you where you can go. Okay, so what you want to do is once you're at your home screen, this will automatically take you to your home screen once the sample tests are done. So you want to use these arrows right here and go all the way to the right. As you can see, it says settings, click on OK. The first thing is called general settings, click on OK. Then scroll down to where it says network settings, click on OK. And then you want to click on Wi-Fi setup, because that's like the convenient way to print from your device. And then choose the Wi-Fi. I strongly recommend that you choose the top one right here instead of Wi-Fi direct. And then since I'm already connected to my home Wi-Fi, I'm just going to click on, I don't have to do anything, but you can just choose the Wi-Fi and then connect to it. I'm just going to go back home. If you want to go back home instead of going all using these arrows, it takes time. Just click on home. And yeah, then you have the normal features, copy, scan, maintenance, print, and all that good stuff. So yeah, I do anticipate of making a review video on this EPSON product. Let me just quickly say some downsides. Obviously, the first downside, there's no touchscreen to this screen. Extremely tiny, so like you have to like really zoom in and see stuff. And yeah, but other than that, it's a really good, strong printer. So yeah, do anticipate of having a follow-up video on this EPSON product in the near future about the reviews and like more detailed like features about it. As I just stated, that I'll be making a future video about where I talk about all the main features about this product, and also make another video where I talk about what I like about this product and what I don't like about it. So make sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be the first one to know when that video goes live. And you make sure to subscribe also for all the best tech tutorial tips out there. And like this video, comment down below any questions or problems that you may have, and share this video with friends and family. And I'll catch you guys soon. And make sure to check out any of the videos which are going on screen, as it's extremely helpful. Bye bye.